I am Prasanna Samay from Mahindra. So this is my third World Skill competition. So last दो competitions से मैं यहाँ पे participate कर रहा हूँ as a jury, as a workshop manager. So today in this competition at Regional Round West, I am the chief jury for automobile technology. So this is an excellent opportunity for all the participants or all the students from ITI, whether they are working with some dealership or they are from some training center. It is the best platform which they have got to showcase their skills. So it is the best thing that has happened. Even we think that sometimes, if we get such a platform, it will be awesome for us. So I thank ASDC, I thank NSDC and Ministry of Skills for organizing or giving such a platform to students where they can showcase their skills. So our best wishes are with the participants who will go on to represent India at World Skills International Shanghai and win medals there. So all the best to all the students. Thank you.